We live in a world where screen time is pretty much unavoidable. Phones, computers, tablets, there's always something pulling us in. But have you ever stopped to think about how much time you're actually spending on your devices? Are you feeling overwhelmed, or maybe even a little disconnected from real life? If you feel like your screen time is out of control, you're not alone. It's easy to lose track of time when we're scrolling through social media, watching videos, or working online. But what if there was a way to reduce that screen time and make your days feel more balanced? Tip No. 1. Set a timer. We all know how quickly time flies when we're glued to our screens. To stop this, try setting a timer for your device usage. Set a limit for 30 minutes, 1 hour, or whatever works for you. When that timer goes off, take a moment to pause and reflect. How do you feel? Are you done with what you were doing, or do you feel like it's time to do something else? A timer gives you a clear boundary, so you're not mindlessly scrolling for hours. This trick helps you be more intentional with your screen time, and before you know it, you'll have more time for other activities. Tip number 2, take breaks and go outside. This might sound simple, but it's so effective. If you're spending hours on a device, it's important to take breaks. And no, I'm not just talking about getting up to grab a snack. Step outside for a few minutes, feel the sunlight, take deep breaths, and let your mind recharge. Tip number 3, replace screen time with a hobby. One of the best ways to cut down on screen time is by finding a hobby or activity you enjoy that doesn't involve a screen. It could be anything. Reading a book, knitting, painting, playing an instrument, or even cooking. Tip number 4, turn off notifications. We've all been there. You're in the middle of a task and suddenly your phone buzzes with a new notification. It pulls your attention away, and before you know it, you're lost in your inbox or social media for 20 minutes. By reducing those distractions, you'll find it easier to stay present and get things done faster. Your productivity will thank you. Tip number 5, spend quality time with people. Instead of texting or scrolling through social media, why not spend some quality face-to-face time with family and friends? Now here's an important concept to keep in mind. Parkinson's Law. It says that work expands to fill the time available for its completion. In other words, the more time you give yourself to complete something, the longer it will take. And the same applies to screen time. If you set a specific limit for how long you'll spend on your phone or computer, you're likely to use that time more efficiently. Instead of endlessly scrolling, you'll get things done faster and move on to other activities. The key is setting boundaries and sticking to them. If you give yourself a clear time frame, you'll be amazed at how much more productive you can be in less time. Remember, it's all about finding balance. Screens are part of our daily lives, but they don't have to take over. Start using these tips today and see how much more time you'll have for the things that truly matter. Subscribe for more tips on healthy habits.